welcome back to Fidget Trading Part 3. In the last video, we were going to trade the ginormous snake, the ginormous wacky trap, and the puppet bracelet. And somebody wanted to offer. What's your offer? Oh yeah, my offer. Okay, so I'll give you this purple hexagon puppet. It's super good. This blue and white tingle. This pink infinity cube. And this purple unicorn puppet. Whoa, she's giving such a good offer, but I'm gonna tell her to add because it's not that fair. Can you add? I love these fidgets, especially the puppet bracelet and an enormous snake. Sure. I'll add this mini puppet, these two marble mesh, a maze, and a yellow monkey noodle. Wow, I'm gonna accept. Accept! Here you go. Thank you. Well, now we have two maze. We have a mini puppet. Let's try it out. Wow, the good side is really good. The bad side is also pretty good, but not as good as the good side. Let's try out the unicorn puppet. The unicorn puppet. Pretty good. Let's try the good side. That was the good side. That's the bad side. Okay, here's the bad side to the hexagon puppet. Doesn't really make noise. But okay. Let's try out the good side of this puppet. Whoa, what happened? That's kind of weird. Something happened to the back of this, but I'll check it out later. Okay. And I also love the infinity cube. Oh, and I also love the tangle that we got. Yeah, we got a tangle, which is so cool. Okay. Now, let's see if somebody wants to offer for the blue teddy bear puppet. Trading a blue teddy bear puppet. Going once. Going twice. Me. Can I offer? Sure. What's your offer? Okay. I'll offer you this water timer and these two monkey noodles. Add, please. Okay. I'll add this cute bunny squishy, this yellow unicorn mochi, and this acupressure ring. Wow, that's good, but maybe I want them to add one more thing. It's not a scam. Can you add like two more things? Sure, I'll just two skinny monkey noodles that match the normal size monkey noodles. Accept. Here you go. Thank you. Wow, we have a lot of fidgets. Look at that girl over there. Maybe I can kind of be nice to her and give her some good things for some not good things. Like these, all my monkey noodles. This new water timer that I got. I'll give her 3 marble mesh, a Rubik's cube, and an acupressure ring. Let's see what she has to offer. Hey, you over there. Do you have an offer for all my monkey noodles, my acupressure ring, my water timer, my 3 marble mesh, and my Rubik's cube? Sure, I'll offer. I'll give you this puppet bracelet, my mini Rubik's cube, my other mini Rubik's cube, my snapper, and my textured monkey noodle. I'll be nice and ask you to add one more thing. Can you add one more thing? Sure, I'll add this blue monkey noodle. Accept. I was being really nice to her and giving her like almost all my fidgets. But now she has some fidgets to trade. Maybe better ones. But at least I got a poppet bracelet, 2 mini Rubik's Cubes, a snapper, which is teal, and I never had a snapper before, a textured monkey noodle, and a normal blue monkey noodle, which I'm pretty happy with the fidgets that I got, but I was just kind of being nice. Okay, let's try and trade my fidget pads. Let's see what people will offer. Trading my 2 fidget pads, going once, going twice, going 3 times. OMG, Mimi, can I offer? Sure, what's your offer? Okay, I'll offer this needle, this acupressure ring, and these 2 monkey noodles. Whoa, she's offering a needle. I'm gonna ask her how because I love my fidget pads. Can you add I love my fidget pads? Sure. I'll add this yellow marble mash and this yellow monkey noodle. I'll also add this blue slime and this other blue slime. Wow, that's really good, so I'm gonna accept. Accept. Thank you. Come back for part 4.